many of us don't have time? This is the thing that we always shortage of. Why? Do we have less time as compared to Elon Musk or Bill Gates? Don't we have 24 hours a day? Then why they can accomplish more in those 24 hours and we don't? What is the reason behind that? Have you ever wondered? Have you ever thought about it? Everyone has 24 hours. Nobody has less or more. But in these 24 hours, you can do whatever you want, or you can waste those 24 hours. It is up to you. Elon Musk said that he works around 100 hours a week, and you are working only 45 hours or maybe 40 hours a week. Clearly, he is 60 hours ahead of you per week. I'm talking about per week. And wonder why is accomplished more as compared to you, who has gained more success than you, because you're spending less time to the productivity things and wasting your times on more wasteful, you can say, things like watching TV, doing nothing, sitting idle, sleeping. If you wake up 1 hour early, maybe if you're waking up 7 a.m., let's start wake up at 6. You will see 1 hour a day, 7 hours a week, 30 hours a month, and around 365 hours in a year. You are 365 hours a year ahead of others, only waking up 1 hour early. And imagine if you wake up at 5, it becomes 2 hours per day and 730 hours a year. What you can accomplish in those years? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever imagined in this way? Let's do one activity from now onwards for 1 or 2 days. Note down for your each and every time you spent today, with your lunch, with your family members, watching TV, reading books, doing your work, sleeping. Note down to detail with every minute. And let's continue this for 1 week. And at the end of that week, you analyze what are the things you are doing in your daily life. It will be clear that you are wasting your most of the time in unusual things, unused things. Things don't matter for you and your goal as well. And you wonder why you are not doing the things and why you don't have the time. Because you have wasted that time in the things that are not required at all. You are watching a TV 2 hours a day, 1 hour a day. Instead, start working on your goals in those 1 hours. Maybe start doing an online course. Yeah, maybe start reading a book that can help you to accelerate your career, that can help you in your job as well. But as a human, our mindset, you have worked for 8 hours, now it's time to relax. Let's have some relaxation time. Yeah, you can have that, but once in a while, not always. To accomplish more, you have to spend more hours on yourself. Maybe on personal development, your career development, professional development, but spend those hours, spend those extra hours apart from your job to understand the things around this world. You will see that you will start getting a time. You have to create time. Time has to be created by you. Start creating time in the weekends. Plan your weekends ahead. Don't live by. See that this weekend is coming on Saturday, Sunday. I need to do these things. Maybe I can complete this course in 5 hours. Then do that. Maybe you have some pending task that is very important for you. You can accomplish that in a weekend. It is up to you how to spend your time. It doesn't matter if you're a small guy from a middle class family or a high class family. If you spend time wisely, then nobody can stop you from becoming a successful person. And this is the thing I had learned from many people. So I never say I don't have a time. I have a lot of time. It is up to you how you plan your day, plan your hours. So hope friends, you like today's video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your family friends who said that they don't have any time. We will meet tomorrow with another topic, another story. Till then, goodbye.